Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add cash on delivery on Shopify. So let's get started. So in order to do that, just head over in here on your settings. Now, once you head over to your settings, you should be able to see in here this payments option. Click on the payments option, and then from in there, you should be able to see in here the payment methods. So head over in here to this manual payment method, then click on this cash on delivery. Now you can just put in here additional details as well as payment instructions. So for example, you can just put in here some things like just pay when you already receive it and anything like that. After that, click on activate cash on delivery. Once you have activated it, as you can see, it will now form in here. And once a customer checks out something and they want to choose cash on delivery, they should be able to just use this. So this payments is made outside your online store and orders are paid manually and must be approved before being fulfilled right here. So under this options right here, you can put in here your actual bank account and they will be able to actually put it or pay you. So that's the whole process. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.